Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove a teacher from a Google Classroom if you are the class owner. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important step. First of all, open your Google Classroom. After opening your Google Classroom, this is the interface of Google Classroom. As you can see, click on the class where the other teacher is added. As you can see, I will click this class. After clicking on class, simply click on the people button. After clicking on people, under the teacher section you will see a list of teachers added to the class. As you can see, I don't have any teachers, but you can add from the plus icon. Please enter the email of your teacher to invite them. After you have invited them, they will join. To remove them, you can simply click on this three button and simply remove and remove. You must be the class owner to remove other teachers. Co-teachers can't be remove each other, and that's how you remove a teacher from Google Classroom. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and see you in the next one.